the last bit actually, so get some of it then, yeah, you know what I mean?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything that's edible.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Moss. As you already know, I cook on this channel. Now, on the menu for you guys today, what I'm going to be doing is making Mexican corn. Now, other people have different recipes of putting it together and making different things. What I'm going to be doing is, obviously there's going to be corn in there, mushrooms, and I'm going to add some chicken to it and all. So yeah, if you're down, if you're feeling good about how this is going to go, or you want to see how it gets on, then follow and subscribe to the channel, comment, share, like, and let's carry on watching. Guys, as you can see, got my pan ready, and I've got one piece of chicken breast. I'm just going to be making a small portion of this. It's just for the purpose of this video. I don't think anyone's going to really eat this but me. So yeah, I'm going to keep it to a minimum. So let's see how it's going to go. What I'm going to do is chop my chicken up, but to like really small pieces. I don't want big chunks in there, right? Make it into small pieces, all right? And then, yeah, let's see how it's gonna go. Chuck it all in there. These are all clean, by the way, so if you see this drop on there or whatever, don't worry, everything's clean. What we're gonna do now is turn on the heat to the max, and all I'm going to do is add some olive oil. Okay, it's the last bit actually, so get some of it then, yeah, you know what I mean? Come on, last few drops mate, get in there. Right, let that heat up, let that crack on, and I'll be back in a sec. As our chicken is coming up, serving up, getting ready, all I'm going to do is get some mushrooms, and because these are fairly small, I'm just going to chop them in half. Okay, you could slice it, you could dice it, you could, you know, some of the bigger ones you can cut it 4 times, whatever. It's entirely up to you, right? Let me just, cool. And all you want to do is just chuck it all in there. Now, mushrooms, they give out a lot of water, so cook it up, let the water evaporate, okay, and then we shall be back to do the rest of the cooking. Right, just give it a little mix, just make sure it's cooking well, and as you can see, all the water from the mushrooms are coming out and slowly evaporating, which is good. And now what I'm going to do is get some sweet corn. I'm not going to tip it in because there's water in there. I'm just going to gently pour some in, okay, as you do. Just whatever amount that you're happy with. Probably the whole lot, but try not to. As it is Mexican corn, so the corn should be a bit, but yeah, I'm not going to make too much. That's all I'm going to go with, right? And then give it another mix. Let it all get cooked up. Get the water to evaporate. Okay, as we go on. This is cold, so it cools it down. And now, whilst that's going, what you want to do is marinate it. Where is it? Some pepper. Okay. Some salt. Get some salt down, yeah. Okay. Gonna put some mixed herbs in there, just a little bit to give it that flavour. And then I'm gonna put some paprika in there. Okay. Now, give all of that a jolly good mix. Okay. And then let it go. We need to let it carry on cooking until we get that water evaporated. Right, now as you can see, the water has evaporated. Now it is time for a pinch of butter in there. Right, get that going. That's gonna melt in a sec, and gonna give it that nice, lovely taste. Let that swim around in there for a little bit. Butter just makes everything taste a lot better. Right, now once that's gone and melted, we will be adding, guys, this smells quite good actually. I know some of you might look at it and be like, what are you doing, mate? What's going on here? But the herbs, the turmeric, the sweet corn, the butter, all that mixed together brings out a nice fragrant smell. So the butter is now mixed. This all is gone in there. Time for, we've got some cheese, ladies and gentlemen. Just use my hands. Don't want to spill it. Get in there, mate. Go on. I ain't got a lot, so all of you, get in there, mate. Done. Look at that. Once the cheese is melted, we will take it off the heat. You know what? There's not enough cheese, unfortunately. Yeah, look at that. There's not enough cheese. Damn it. Damn it, I needed more cheese. Never you mind. Right, that's melted. Switch it off. Move that. Bring that off the heat. Now what you want to add is just a tiny pinch of lime juice. Let's give it a nice kick. And then some mayo to make it a bit more creamy. Okay. Where are we? Mix this bad boy up. I am running short on cheese, guys. This should have been a lot more cheesy. But unfortunately, I was lazy. I didn't go out and buy some cheese for you. So this is it now. This is the final product. And let me get my plate. That's the plate right there. It should have been a lot more stringy, like proper, you know, pull it up. I don't know. Never mind, guys. We can only try. But now the taste, the smell of that cheese is wow. Is going up. It is amazing. This is like a snack, I would say. A starter perhaps. I don't know. You guys choose what you want to eat this with or how you want to eat it. Yeah. Get some more of that chicken in. Job done, guys. Place that there. And just the final top up. Some paprika on top. Boom. And that right there, ladies and gentlemen, is your Mexican corn. Bon appetit, share, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come